Before you drift into sleep tonight, I want you to remember something. You have done enough for today. The conversations can wait. The unfinished tasks can wait. The questions, the worries, the plans for tomorrow, they can all wait. Right now, there's nothing to fix, nothing to achieve, nothing to prove. This time belongs to rest. And as you settle into this meditation, allow yourself to imagine that every breath is carrying you closer to a night of deep, healing sleep. A sleep that restores your body, calms your mind, and gently prepares you to awake tomorrow feeling lighter, brighter, and renewed. So let the day go and allow yourself to simply be. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to become still. Take a slow, easy breath in and let it go with a long, gentle sigh. Again, breathing in peace. Breathing out the day. Feel the surface beneath you, holding your weight completely. You do not need to carry anything right now. Let the bed support you. Let the room be quiet around you. Let this moment be enough. As you continue breathing slowly, imagine the day beginning to dissolve behind you. The meetings, the responsibilities, the little frustrations, the moments that went well, the moments that quite didn't. All of it can rest now. The day is complete. You have arrived at a place where effort ends and restoration begins. Take another slow breath. And with every exhale, feel your body growing heavier. Your forehead softens. Your eyes relax. Your jaw releases. Your neck loosens. Your shoulders melt downward. A gentle wave of relaxation moves through your arms, your hands, your fingers. Nothing to hold, nothing to do. Just rest. Allow that feeling to travel through your chest and your heart. If there's anything weighing on you tonight, imagine placing it into a small boat floating on a calm lake. You don't need to push it away. You don't need to solve it. Simply allow it to drift farther and farther into the distance. Tomorrow will arrive when it arrives. For now, you are safe. You are sheltered. You are allowed to rest. Imagine now that a soft golden light surrounds you. Warm, golden, gentle, comforting. Like being wrapped in the kindest embrace. This light carries peace into every cell of your body. It quiets busy thoughts. It softens the tension. It whispers to every part of you. You can let go now. You can sleep now. You are safe. As this peaceful light settles around you, imagine your body entering a state of deep restoration. Every muscle relaxing. Every breath becoming slower. Every heartbeat steady and calm. While you sleep tonight, your body knows exactly what to do. It will restore. It will heal. It will replenish. And it will renew. Trust the wisdom within you. Your only job is to rest. And as you drift deeper into calm, imagine tomorrow morning. Imagine opening your eyes, feeling refreshed, feeling clear, feeling supported by a full night of healing rest. Imagine greeting the new day with ease, a little more energy, a little more hope, a little more lightness in your heart. That future version of you is already waiting. And tonight's rest is creating that tomorrow. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Silently repeat, I release this day with gratitude. I welcome deep and peaceful sleep. I trust tomorrow to take care of itself. Now allow the words to slowly fade away. Allow the thoughts to become softer. Allow yourself to drift. There's nowhere else you need to be. Nothing else to do. The day is complete. You are safe. You are loved. And you can rest now. Sleep deeply.